Alright, this is a update I promised you about the, I guess it's Chijimisai. I'm not sure if that sounds right, but that's how it sounds in Hillbilly. And this is supposed to be one of those new superfoods that I tried this year, and I told you when I showed you the seeds that I do an update once it started growing. Well, we've been enjoying it up in the lettuce beds up by the house, but this is one bed I put in down in the garden. And you can see the seeds are really tiny, and I wound up overplanting it by quite a bit. So I'm just going through and I'm starting to do the thinning of it now. And I'll get several thinnings out of here before, I really let it grow to the full size. But you can see it kind of looks like almost like a little Swiss chard or spinach, and to my untrained taste buds, it tastes kind of like a mixture of spinach and bok choy. Kind of like the texture of bok choy and flavor of spinach mixed together. It's really good stir fried up too. So we've been enjoying it from the other beds up above, but I just like I said, I'm starting to thin down here, and these young tender thinnings are really good just stir fried up. So that's how we like it the best. And I'll probably get 4 or 5 thinnings out of here, like I said. So this is what it looks like. It's it's kind of almost like a Swiss chard, but it's kind of like a bunch like a spinach. And it's supposed to have super amounts of vitamin A and be really healthy for you. Here's what a little bit larger one looks like. You can see it's starting to look kind of like a Swiss chard leaf there. So we'll see as it grows how it is. But this is where it's at now, and it probably will have the same flavor when it's grown. So I just wanted to do an update and show you what it looked like, and tell you how we liked it. We love it. So let's just take a quick spin around here. I'll show you the garden's doing good. We have had some cold nights that I think the only thing I had problems with was my okra germinating, and I think that was due to we had several cold nights, and I know that doesn't like the cold, but everything else seems to be doing great. No problems with it. It's looking good. You can see those sweet potatoes are starting to grow and stuff, and pretty soon we'll have the strawberry beds there. They've got thousands of berries in them, and there it is. One quick walk around now. You just have to, we use a salad spinner to clean this up. We just cut the leaves off and clean it up, put it in a bag, and, then we're going to stir fry it. We're having it for dinner tonight. There it is. We had some meatloaf, noodles, and a stir fry with that Chijimisai and some bok choy and carrots and onions. And there's our baby bok choy we've been enjoying from the beds up above. That's really good. So, there it is. That's what it looks like, and it really is growing great. No problems with it. Some bug holes in the leaves, but they don't really hurt it seems like. So, that's what it looks like, and I definitely recommend you try it if you have it. Now, we do have a couple berries coming in up by the house here in the box that I put those new ones in, and they've been really good, except for one problem is the ants have been eating little holes in them, so you have to be real careful. There's an ant trying to chew one up now, but I'll guard these last couple. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.